Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to make money online with ClickFunnels in 2024. If you want to turn your ideas into income using funnels, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. First off, what is ClickFunnels? It's a sales funnel builder that helps you create landing pages, sales pages, and entire sales funnels without needing any coding skills. It's designed to make the sales process smoother and increase your chances of converting visitors into customers. The first step to making money with ClickFunnels is to find your niche. Think about what you're passionate about and what problems you can solve. This focus will help you target a specific audience and tailor your messaging and offers. Do some market research to see what people are interested in. Tools like Google Trends or even social media can help you understand what's hot right now. Once you've found your niche, it's time to build your funnel. Next, let's talk about building your funnel. ClickFunnels makes this easy. Start by creating a landing page to capture leads. Offer something valuable, like a free ebook or a mini course, in exchange for email addresses. This is how you start building a list of potential customers. When designing your landing page, make sure it's visually appealing and has a clear call to action. You want visitors to know exactly what you want them to do next. After your landing page, create a sales page where you'll present your offer. Your sales page is where you'll showcase your product or service. Use persuasive language that highlights the benefits and addresses any pain points. Remember, people are looking for solutions, so focus on how your offer can help them. In 2024, storytelling is really important. Share testimonials or success stories to build trust. If you can, use video, it's one of the most engaging formats out there. Make sure you have a strong call to action that encourages visitors to buy. Now that your funnel is set up, it's time to drive traffic. This is where the real action happens. There are several effective ways to attract visitors. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Create engaging content that leads followers to your landing page. Start a blog or YouTube channel related to your niche. Provide valuable content and include links to your funnel. If you have the budget, consider running ads on platforms like Facebook or Google. Target your ads to reach the right audience. As you collect email addresses, nurture those leads with valuable content and promotions. Building a relationship is key to converting them into customers. In 2024, using AI tools for targeting and content creation can really help optimize your campaigns and reach your audience more effectively. Now let's talk about how to make money. Here are a few ways you can monetize your ClickFunnels setup. If you have your own product or service, your funnel can sell it directly. If you don't have your own product, promote others' products and earn a commission for every sale made through your affiliate links. Create a membership site where users pay a monthly fee for exclusive content. Hosting a webinar can be a great way to sell high-ticket items. Use your funnel to collect registrations and present your offer during the webinar. Webinars are especially effective in 2024, as they let you connect with your audience and address their questions directly. Finally, don't forget to track your results. ClickFunnels has analytics tools to help you monitor how your funnel is performing. Look at conversion rates, traffic sources, and customer behavior. This data is crucial for optimizing your funnel over time. Experiment with different headlines, calls to action, and layouts. Continuous testing will help improve your funnel and increase your revenue. So, that's how to make money online with ClickFunnels in 2024. Start by identifying your niche, building effective funnels, driving traffic, and monetizing your efforts. If you want to check out current ClickFunnels deals, be sure to look in the video description. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on digital marketing and entrepreneurship. Let's make those online business dreams a reality.